Shillong, a city nestled in the hills of Meghalaya with its picturesque landscapes and modern infrastructure, Shillong has been touted as a smart city. Underneath the tall outdoor LED displaying screens of Shillong Smart City, many are not so smart. Some are regular concerns, while few are life-changing if addressed too. Here is a report.
Beyond the hustle and bustle of daily life, there exists a community that faces unique challenges. The specially abled community of Meghalaya is looking for simple tweaks in the infrastructure to make their commute safe, accessible and independent. A differently abled woman who identified as Reena and uses wheelchair shares her experience of navigating the city's streets, which are often inaccessible and unsafe for people like her. She expressed hope that the government can alter their lives by making things a little easier.
To my experience, we cannot say that city is not accessible. We cannot say that it's accessible for a person like us. If you are to go outside, you would definitely have to be passed through the same road with a lot of vehicles. It's not safe. Many times, with my experience, it's not safe. I went to traveling through footpath. But again, that is not accessible for us. What you have to stop halfway. You will need somebody to help you.
Yeah.
Would love if you can travel on our own. That's it. Yeah, I believe government can do if they do implementing accessible footpath even for a person with us. Accessible footpath, yes.
Dr. Lahun M. Solia, Director of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, echoes Reena's concern. She emphasizes that much more needs to be done to make Shillong a truly inclusive city.
I found too many patients struggling because they cannot come for their appointments, or struggling because many say, I cannot go to church anymore, or some say, I do not get to meet my friends anymore. So it affects them at a very whole level. Our government, if we want to really stand out, we're already the first in the Northeast, as far as we believe, but if we want to encourage tourism and people coming in from outside, they will work towards that. And I'm sure that that they are doing a lot of things towards that regard. And I know that there are plans of the government to push forward in this, whether it's public transport or things like that. There is still much more needed to be done. I don't think we're anywhere close to being a place which is friendly to our citizens. So, although they have done respectfully a lot, there's still much more to be done. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank you all.
The specially abled community of Meghalaya is not asking for luxury but simple gestures to ensure they are taken on board in this journey of life as we strive to make Shillong a smart city that does not forget the need of our specially abled citizens. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Now the